Hi, I'm Dannon with the Panama City Farmers Market, bringing you tips and tricks on how to be successful at a farmers market. This week, I wanted to talk to you about social media. If you ever think about setting up at a farmers market, make sure that you go ahead and create social media presence. That is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and you could go on for the list. But the main two are Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and set those up ahead of time before ever attending a market. You can go ahead and build your friends and family excitement to come out and support you at the farmers market. And then once you get to the farmers market, make sure you share with other people your social media. So if you'll follow me, I'll show you the way one of our vendors has done that. This is Modern Moon. They're an online boutique, and you can notice on their sign, they went ahead and told you to like them on Facebook and Instagram. So I highly suggest every vendor do this to build their following and their clientele. And that's this week's tips and tricks from the farmers market. Tune in every week to learn how to be successful at a farmers market.